Hello guys, welcome to Maths with Educarte. And today we will start with a new part of this exercise 4.1, which is part 2. So in this part, I will continue with the last question of this exercise, which is question number 2. So this question consists four parts, four subparts you can say. So we will do them all line wise. Firstly, there is a first part. It is given that there is a rectangular plot with an area of 528 meter square. It is given that the length of the plot is one more than twice the breadth. So we have to make an equation which we can solve to find out the values of length and breadth. Quadratic equation. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, it is given that area is 528 meter square. Also, it is given that length is equal to one more than twice the breadth. Length equal to 1 plus 2b. Now, to solve this, we will just put the values. The area equal to length into breadth, which will be equal to 528. Now, the value of length is here 1 plus 2b into b equals to 528. Let's solve this. 1 into b is b plus 2b into b is 2b square equal to 528. So when we arrange this in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, so we will have to set it that side. It will become 2b square plus b minus 528 equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Now we will continue, or you can say we will start with our next part. Here it is given that product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Means basically it wants to say that the product of two natural numbers is given to us. That they are consecutive means firstly there is one number. For example, 1 and 2 are consecutive. They have a difference of 1. Similarly, the product of those numbers which are consecutive and are natural number is 306. So we have to write an equation to find the integers, positive integers. Okay, so let's see product of two consecutive positive integers. So let one be x, one integer be x. So other will be x plus 1, because if 1 is x, so the next one will be x plus 1. Now it is given that x into x plus 1 equal to 306, means x square plus x equals to 306. When you have to form it, or you can say when you have to make it in the form of a quadratic equation, then the format is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So ax square means a is 1, bx is here, but c is on the other side. So we'll make it come this side. It will become x square plus x minus 306 equals to 0, and hence this will be our equation. And when you middle term split it, you will find the answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. Or instead of this middle term splitting, you can also use the method which is the quadratic formula, means minus b plus minus root d upon 2a is the like the formula from which you can solve it. Okay, now we will come to our the like you can say third part of this question, because second part we have done and first part we have done previously. Here, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him, and it is given that after 3 years, the product of their ages will be 360. So we have to write a quadratic equation. So let's solve it. Let Rohan be X years old. So his mother will be X plus 26 years old. Okay, so it is given that after 3 years, which means X plus 3 into X plus 26 plus 3 will be 360, the product of their ages. So when we solve it, it will become X plus 3 into X plus 29 equals to 360. So X into X square. Now if this will be multiplied with this and then this. So plus 29x, 3 into x, 3x, plus 29 multiplied by 3, which is 87, equals to 360. So when we solve it, it becomes x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 equals to 0. Now when we solve this, 360 minus 87 is 273. So x square plus 32x plus minus 273, because minus 360 plus 87 is minus 273 equals to 0. So x square plus 32x minus 273 equals to 0. I hope this is clear. And now we will continue with the last question of this exercise. Here it is given that distance is 480 km. Now, if the speed of the train was 8 km per hour less, so the time would have been taken would be 3 hours more than it was originally. So we have to find out the distance, speed and the time. Basically, we have to make the equation only. Okay, so let's solve. 480 kilometer is the distance. So distance equals to speed into time. So let time be t only, and the distance was 480. So it would be, let speed be x into t. So 480 upon x will be equals to t. Okay, so our value of t is 480 upon x. Now we'll solve. If the speed was 8 km per hour less, the time to complete the distance would be 3 hours more. So distance equals to speed into time. Speed means 8 km per hour less. X minus 8 into time plus 3. T plus 3. Okay. Now we'll solve this. Distance equals to x minus 8 into, now here we'll put the value of x. So t was 480 upon x, 480 upon x plus 3. So we'll just solve it as it is. X into 480 upon x will be 480. X into 3 will be 3x. Minus 8 into 480 upon x will be minus 3 8 uh, yes, 3840 by x minus 24. Okay, so we'll solve this. We'll multiply this whole equation with x, and here we'll put the value of distance now. So 480 will be equals to 480 plus 3x minus 3840 by x minus 24. Now if you see 480 cancel, we'll solve this over here. So 0 equals to here 3x minus 3840 by x, 3x minus 3840 upon x minus 24. We'll solve this. Multiplying the whole equation with x, we'll get 0 equals to 3x square minus 24x minus 3840. This will be our answer. Finally, this will be the equation. I hope this question is clear and this video has ended and this exercise also completed. We will meet in the next video and I will come with the next exercise 4.2. Hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.